Tomatoes are among the most widely grown vegetables in the backyard. Choosing the right varieties, site selection, soil, fertilization, hardening, spacing, planting, training, watering, pest and disease management, and harvesting at the right time all play a key role in achieving success. This video will focus on planting tomatoes in a raised bed. Select a site location that receives at least 8 hours of full sun to install the raised beds. Avoid planting sites near pesticide-treated lawns or field crops due to potential spray drift during the growing season. Details on how to install raised beds using soilless media can be viewed in a video titled Building Raised Bed Gardens. Choose well-hardened tomatoes for raised bed planting. If the transplants are a bit dry, water them thoroughly before planting. Schedule your planting time during a cloudy day or late in afternoon hours to minimize transplant shock. In a 4-foot by 4-foot raised bed, it is best to plant only 2 indeterminate varieties in a staggered row, as they tend to grow bushy and tall. You can easily plant 4 determinate varieties in a 4-foot by 4-foot raised bed, as they tend to stay compact. Dig a planting hole deep enough to bury the roots and the main stem just below the first set of bottom leaves. You can also pinch off the first set of bottom leaves to prevent soil splash when watering. This will help in minimizing the spread of disease spores through soil contact. Leggy plants can be laid on a side of a shallow trench with their top set of leaves above the ground. This technique can provide better stability for the tomato plant, which will straighten when reaching for the light. After planting, water thoroughly at the base of the plants. To minimize disease occurrence, always avoid overhead watering. To further prevent soil splash and to conserve soil moisture, you can mulch the base of the plant to about 2 to 3 inches deep using clean straw, rice hull, shredded or whole newspaper. For more information on specialized gardening techniques, refer to our UW-Madison Extension publication online.